away. For the steadfast love of the Lord, it never ceases. His mercy is never come to an end. And day and you every morning, just tap into it. New every morning, great is thy faithfulness, oh Lord. Great is thy faithfulness. Sweet Jesus, how